Timing is everything. Scheduling your deep clean at the wrong time could cost you money and effectiveness. Here's when professionals say you should really deep clean your home. Most people wait until their home is visibly dirty or right before hosting guests. This reactive approach is costing you money and results. Here are the optimal times: spring, after winter buildup and before allergy season peaks; fall, before holidays arrive and to prepare for indoor winter months; after any renovations because construction dust settles everywhere; and every 3 to 4 months during seasonal transitions to prevent problems from building up. Pro tip: midweek bookings often get better availability and sometimes better rates. Strategic timing means healthier air quality year-round, easier maintenance between deep cleans, and always being guest-ready without the panic. Ready to get on a smart cleaning schedule? Bear Brothers Cleaning creates customized plans that keep your home consistently clean without the stress. Call 256-633-6332 or visit bearbroscleaning.com.